Hi, I'm back with another video, and if you read the title, then you want to hear what I have to say. Yes, that's Maxine in the back, but let's concentrate on why you're here. So we want to talk about feminine, hormonal, intimate wash that works for me, and I hope it works for you. So if you'd like to stay tuned, we can get started. All right, here goes. So, Vagisil. Vagisil pH balance. I have to tell you ladies, this intimate wash is easy accessible. It was found by me at Target, as we call it out here, and I have been using this for a short period of time, but it's the first time I've ever used an intimate wash. So with that being said, let me tell you about the scent. Okay, here goes. Okay, it's clean. It's a light bouquet of flowers, I would say. Not that old lady baby flower, not the old lady type of bouquet of flowers, but it is light, it's clean, and it's gentle on the vulva. So that V zone is important so that we have a pH balance of 3.8 to 4.5, and this does it, ladies. This does it. If you're hormonal, that means that we're sweating all the time, and when we sweat sometimes, it's not our best scent. But at the same time, it is what we smell like. But we want to keep that at a minimum. We want to block it. At the same time, stay feminine. So this is dye-free. It also says that it's an all-day pH freshness. And this one again is called pH Balance Daily Intimate Wash. It also has a it contains lacto prebiotic, which helps you fortifies your natural defenses, and it also is hypoallergenic. What I like about this is that if you know my history, I can get bacterial vaginosis just from you looking at me. It's just what it is. I don't know what it is. I can just get it, and it just goes wild. So I have found with this, I am better than ever. And again, I'm 54, so I'm hormonal, but I still get a period. And I work out, so there's a lot going on there. So this is something that I want you ladies to go out and buy. I feel that this is a great purchase, and it will take you a long way. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I didn't spend more than $6 for this. I will link everything below so you can go out and grab this, okay? Because this is the best thing going, okay? So enough of the pH Balance by Vagisil, and we have another one coming right up. All right, here we go. Vagisil, we are staying with that company, Vagisil, and this, ladies, is odor blocker, okay? Now, excuse me, I picked up both of these at the same time at Target, and I didn't know why I was picking it up, but once I grabbed it, I realized that this is something that I use especially around my menstrual period. And this is very gel formula, just like the pH Balance. And let me tell you what it smells like. And the packaging is attractive, I think. Okay, so here we go. Here goes. Bouquet of flowers, very similar to the pH Balance. But I have to say with the pH balance, it has more of a berry, flowery type scent. And this one is, again, clean bouquet of flowers. This doesn't irritate my vulva area. This keeps my V-zone clean. And I also can shave after using this, okay? And afterwards, I can use this to wipe myself clean, okay? Get myself very clean. This odor blocker, again, I said, I use this around my menstrual period. And this is obvious to help me not have any odor. And this too does not give me bacterial vaginosis. And this is reasonably priced as the pH balance. It's less than $6. I got this one again from Target and I love it. Okay, so this is something else to look for. You're hormonal, you work out, you want something to keep your body fresh and clean and still have that feminine scent without being overwhelming with your perfumes or your body splashes. This is the route to take, okay? And with both of these, I have learned that you can use them for a bubble bath. That's different, right? So run you some bath water, put either or under the bath water, pour it in there, make yourself some bubbles. You know that you are going to stay within your pH balance of 3.8 to 4.5 by using these as a bubble bath also. Another thing that I've done after giving myself my walk, walking my dog or what have you, and I'm ready to take my shower or my bath, mainly I take baths. What I do is I will actually use my Dove White Sensitive Bar Soap, and then I will go over my body with one or the other because they're great scents, right? What lady doesn't want to smell good, look good, and be at your pH balance that is great for not having bacterial vaginosis or any body odors, period. And so with this, I also use as the intimate wash as a all over body soap, and it makes me smell great, and it makes my skin very kissable. So try these in those different ways, and I think you will see the same thing that I've seen, that these are great purchases for women of all ages, okay? And I have one more, okay? Stick with me. It's Vagisil. I'm staying with the same company. I find that if you stay with the series, it's sort of like they balance each other, you know? The ingredients are particularly the same. They're good for your body and keeping a pH balance, for a healthy pH balance. As you'll know and as you'll hear me say, pH balance is the new sexy. I'm sorry. Your hair can be done, your nails done, but if she is not together down there, it could be all bad, okay? Bad experience for everyone involved, right? We want all the great things that she deserves to happen to her, right? Okay? So these are Vagisils, and this is the white jasmine. This is beautiful, ladies. It doesn't cause any irritation down there. It definitely has a nice scent, and it's something that you can throw in your purse, put in a Ziploc bag, take a few with you, pull them out when you're out and about. You have something to keep yourself nice and fresh. And of course you need your panty liners. So you should always be in a fresh state with your vagina health, okay? So keep it smelling great, keep it clean, and keep it tasty. That's what I say. That's my motto. Okay, so I appreciate you giving me time out and listening to this video. And again, ladies, these are the products by Vagisil. Sorry, got a phone call. These are the products from Vagisil that I love. Yes, go out and buy these. They're great. And no, of course, this hasn't been sponsored by Vagisil, but if they'd like to, I don't mind it. I appreciate your time. And please like and subscribe. Bye. Where's my clicker?